They're ordering stuff, man, and they want some stuff.
But yeah, I think you have to order here.
Huh?
I think you have to order here.
Yeah, I mean, there is no Wi-Fi. There's no password.
Oh. Over there.
What are you feeling like?
I don't know what they have. What?
This is like a typical Costa Rican look over here. Meal here, like casado. It comes with like a protein
Did you order anything, Lisa?
chicken. I'm just gonna have a cappuccino.
A whole cap or a
Did you
glass?
eat?
Huh? I did. I ate it. And then I just ate that bread.
Did you get one of those casadas?
What?
This is like a shepherd's pie. It's made
Where?
from Rica.
No, but I have some if you order a little bit.
Okay.
Get us one of them.
All right. So I got one of the shepherd's pie. Do you want it with beef and tomato sauce or chicken and white sauce?
The what?
Do you want it with beef and the tomato sauce or chicken and the white sauce?
Kind.
So we
Speak
have
in
one
Spanish.
Bruno shepherd's pie called
Casada.
called casado.
I'm sorry, Hershey's.
Okay.
I said casada. You know,
Yeah.
Sometimes I have to pay attention, because sometimes I hear casado, sometimes I hear casado.
Oh yeah, it's really close. Yeah. So okay, that's what we're having.
what? You forgot my drink.
Okay, what was
It's over here. Coffee, chocolate, smoothies, everything.
Limonada.
Okay, we have 5 different kinds.
I'm thinking lemonade con gingerbread for me.
Anything else? I have a cappuccino, beef, pastel, yuca.
You hear me speaking that Spanish right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys.
You want me to order for you too in Spanish?
Should I put all together, or this is separate?
All together.
All together. Okay.
Do you want to tell them? Oh, sorry. Can I get the trout fillet stuff?
White sauce or tomato sauce?
Tomato.
Okay.
And
Say it in Spanish or you don't get anything.
for the drink, can I get the lemonade con orange? I can't even read
Which one?
this one. I picked the hardest one.
Aradano?
Arándano.
Arandaro.
Yes.
And rojo.
Arándano.
It's red.
I know what red is.
You don't know what's red.
Yeah, I do.
Can I get the lasagna?
White sauce or tomato sauce?
Tomato.
Okay.
Did you see a little backpack with the guava? You need one of those for school. Come on, mommy. Pick one. Pick one. Uno. Uno. You're just looking at how pretty they are.
I'll have the limonada.
But what flavor?
Traditional.
It's traditional lemonade. Okay.
Don't you want it with cranberries?
Senor?
I like that turkey sandwich.
Okay. With herbs, multigrain or cheese bread?
Cheese bread. And
Mucha rellena de tomate, pastel de carne. Una lasaña
And,
en tomate también.
what's a good lemonade? You know?
You don't want peppermint, you can have the traditional, which is regular lemonade, or the one down here with cranberries.
Oh, the traditional.
You don't have fountain drinks, do you?
Do we have what? I'm sorry.
Fountain drinks?
Fun.
Like Coke or anything
No.
like that? Good. So no, they don't have it. You can't pay here.
Okay. Do you want to add any other drink or we're fine?
You
We
want
have
what?
everything.
Yeah, I have everything.
Okay.
They ain't gonna take your card here. They ain't gonna take your
So
card here.
please pay over there on the other side and keep the number visible on the
Can I go?
Right.
Can I pay them now? You can't because you don't have the number.
32.
No. Ma'am, I have the number. They can't pay this.
32.
I have the number.
You usually pay after you eat.
No, we right here.
Thank you, dear. See, you ain't
¿Para
split
qué?
because I have the number.
Yeah, 32.
It's the same one.
Ah, tienen que decirle o que tienen que traer este.
No.
¿Ah?
He said you had
We see one there. In real life. We were in a restaurant there with one of them. No,
Thank you.
Thank you. Just give them the card and receipt.
because I heard
Who?
the tree frogs
Randy.
are poisonous.
no, the poison dart.
The dart frogs
It
are
declined.
you dying?
You lying.
Die, you get released.
Take a number then.
So I could, some people could. No.
Hey, do you see the did you see the
I'll show you a daily. There's like 3 different types. That are
yeah, the blue jeans?
The blue jean, and then there's the other ones, too, the yellow and black ones.
What are they?
Kai, look at
Poison dart frogs.
look at jet boat.
This is what the poison dart frogs.
Oh wow.
They're really pretty, yeah. But the reason why they're that bright color is it's kind of a morning, like, so all the animals know very poisonous. But the interesting thing is it's because of what they eat here makes them poisonous, so if you take them away and eat them, they're poisonous. So there's like some type of ham that they like. I think that's what makes body that makes sense.
After that, I tell you.
What?
How come if they use poison to kill monkeys, when they cook the monkey, it cooks out?
Oh, I don't know.
He just don't want to tell you. He knows. Yeah. What happened? Looking like this.
Stack the number.
Nikki.
I'll go find us a table you want to keep looking.
What do I drink?
look. Pura vida. ¿Quiere?
Hola.
Buenos días.
Tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Sí? Tardes.
Maybe noches.
No.
I might have got up too early.
How many people? Five. No, okay.
Cinco.
Limonadas.
Limonadas?
Cranberry,
That was Kai. Right here.
ginger, and honey.
Right here.
Traditional.
Tradicional.
Traditional. It's